Foxy Joxy plays a trick. Foxy Joxy was a sly fox. He sold big, fresh watermelons. "You are asking too much," said Gia Giraffe. "Your price is too high," said Rabbit Jabbit. Foxy Joxy had a clever idea. He split open a big watermelon, scooped out the fruit, and gobbled it up. Then he filled it with water. He took a needle and thread and sewed the watermelon back together. He sold his watermelons for a cheap price. Many animals bought from Foxy Joxy. "This watermelon has only water in it," complained Funky Monkey. "Well, you got what you paid for," said Foxy Joxy. "We need to teach Foxy Joxy a lesson," said Ellie Elephant. The animals gathered around and came up with a plan. "I have an idea," said Oliver Owl. They took an empty watermelon, stuffed Foxy Joxy into it, and played a game of football with it. Foxy Joxy was dizzy. He learnt his lesson and never cheated again. This book was recorded using Screencast-O-Matic, and this book can be found at freekidsbooks.org.